That in a bit, but before that, let's take a look at how US markets ended in trade yesterday, and across the board all three indices ended in the red. S&P 500 ended 1.5% lower, Dow Jones more than 2% lower in trade yesterday, and Nasdaq also ended 1.7% lower in trade yesterday. So clearly turned out to be a weak day for Wall Street in yesterday's trading session. Let's also take a look at how Asian markets are doing this morning, and it is turning out to be a mixed picture. On one side, we have Hang Seng, which is in the positive territory. Nikkei is up a solid 1.3%. Shanghai, meanwhile, is down 0.4% in trade today. In fact, Kospi has rebounded after the kind of fall that we saw yesterday. The Korean market is up nearly 4% in today's trading session. The Gift Nifty, however, is suggesting a 90-point decline for Indian equity market. So that's how the 100-point decline is what the Nifty implied open is suggesting at this point in time. Let's also put the spotlight on commodities, especially given the kind of commentary and the impact on commodity market that we have seen over the last few trading sessions. Brent is now at $90 a barrel, up 0.8% today, with WTI crude also trading near that $85 a barrel mark. Meanwhile, as far as gold is concerned, it is at about $4,080 an ounce, up 0.2%. Silver, meanwhile, has jumped 0.5% in trade today to now inch closer to that $58 per ounce mark. As far as global commentary is concerned, we had some important commentary that came in from US President Donald Trump with respect to the West Asia crisis, where he said that we are going to beat the effings out of them. We'll be hitting them very hard. That's the word coming in from US President Donald Trump. He also said that he vowed for a forceful response after US forces intercepted an Iranian missile attack in Jordan. So that's the backdrop of what the commentary has been. So all in all, West Asia continues to remain a concern. US markets ended in the red yesterday. But let's also go across and listen in to what US President Donald Trump had to say.